guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete your post on TikTok. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your post on TikTok, then what you can do is just simply open up your TikTok application. After opening up your TikTok application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom left, and after tapping on the profile icon, just select the post that you want to delete. After selecting a post, just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the bottom left corner of your screen, and after tapping on that, just swipe it towards the left. So after swiping it to the left, you will find a delete icon. Just tap on it, and after tapping on the delete icon, now you have to tap on delete. And after tapping on delete, here you can see guys, you have successfully deleted your post on TikTok. So that's it guys, this is how to delete a post on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.